Hi everyone, this is a consumer review of the DEK Drain under deck drainage system. I want to share my experience with the product, installation, and what happened after I discovered a major issue with how it performs. When I first installed DEK Drain, I followed their official instructions carefully. The idea behind the system is great. It's supposed to collect water between deck boards and channel it away, keeping the area underneath dry. Unfortunately, in my case, that didn't happen. After some time, water started pooling and seeping through the system. I later found out that the design of the installation instructions was flawed. Even though I had installed it as directed, water wasn't draining properly, leading to significant damage underneath the deck. I contacted DEK Drain multiple times by phone and email, explaining the situation and providing documentation. Despite repeated attempts, I didn't get a meaningful response. To understand the issue better, I consulted an expert who reviewed the system and confirmed that the installation instructions themselves contain a design flaw that caused the drainage failure. Based on that report, I requested reimbursement for the material costs, since the problem was not due to user error, but a defect in the provided installation guidance. At the time of this review, DEK Drain has not reimbursed the material cost or taken responsibility for the issue, despite the expert findings and documentation provided to them. The concept of DEK Drain is appealing. Keeping the area under your deck dry is a great idea, but my experience shows that the execution and company support didn't meet expectations. If you're considering a deck drainage system, I strongly recommend looking at multiple options, reviewing independent installation feedback, and ensuring the company stand behind their product. I hope this review helps other homeowners avoid the same frustration I went through.